If you're trying to get your 4,000 watch hours, you have to do it like this. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. I hope you guys are having a good day, good night. I hope you guys are just having a great day. But I know getting 4,000 watch time hours can be very stressful and very, very hard. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a few tips that you can take along with you today and start implementing them today and get your 4,000 watch time hours. First, I would like to say congratulations for the watch time hours that you currently have. You guys know how hard it is to get those watch time hours. So be very, very, very grateful for the ones that you do have. Because guess what? It could be at zero. It could be at zero, but you do have some watch time, which means you do have good content. So the first tip that I want to give you is stay consistent. Be consistent. I know. You're tired of hearing be consistent. But guys, that is exactly what helped me gain my 4,000 watch time hours in a year. Yes, it took a year, but I got the 4,000 watch time hours and I was able to be monetized. So stay consistent. Keep posting your YouTube shorts. Keep posting your long form videos. Even if no one is watching it now, eventually they will. And also, you never know who's watching your content from the bushes. You never know who's watching your content, but they may not be a commenter. They may not be someone that likes your video, but they're there. And when you post your video, you brighten up their day. You never know. I'm so serious, guys. You never know who you inspire. You never know who gets super duper excited when they see your new video has popped up as a notification. Now, this next tip costs money. And I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, why would I pay money now? I'm not monetized yet. I'll wait till I'm monetized. And that is all cool. But you know you can promote your videos straight from YouTube. You can promote your videos. You can spend as little as $5 to begin. Now, several people have commented in the comments saying, Sin, I tried the promotion that you were speaking on and my views are going up. My subscribers are going up. But let me say this, the video that you're promoting, your watch time and subscribers do not count for that particular video. But if they love the promoted video and they go watch your other content, that content will count towards your watch time hours. So my next tip is playlists. You can actually get your family and friends to run your playlist, but do not spam it. Do not let it run all day in the background. Do not spam it. Do not get that person to keep watching your playlist over and over and over. So let's say you ask your cousin to watch your playlist. Tell them to put it on a desktop, laptop, let it run, let the whole playlist run all the way through. That's it for them. They're done. Do not ask them to play it again. They're done, because I have heard recently you can get in trouble or you can get something done if you let a person continue to keep doing that, which is basically called spamming. So one time per person, guys, and you will get your watch time hours that way. Okay, and for the next tip, live streaming. I know some people don't like getting in front of the camera. It feels weird. It feels awkward. All you have to do is turn on your live stream and do what you do. Let's just say you're cooking. Turn your camera on, put your live stream on, and just cook. Every now and then you can look in and speak to your audience, because people are going to come and go. When they first click on your live stream, they're going to know what you're cooking. So they're going to look for a while to see exactly what you're doing. Your watch time is rolling while they're trying to figure out what you're doing. Every now and then come to the camera and say, hey guys, tonight I'm cooking cabbage, fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, and cornbread. Okay, this is how I do it. If you would like to see how I finish this, stay to the end. If you have any comments, put them down. As I'm cooking, I'll come and I'll look and I'll talk back with you guys. Let's just say you do makeup. Be in your nice, pretty makeup area, putting your makeup on. You can just put your makeup on, do story time, or you can just put it on and be quiet. Or put it on and ask questions, Q&As. Something. You have to help yourself, guys, because we are the only ones that are really going to make it possible, because it's something that we want. So we have to find ways that we can make this possible while also making it fun for our audience to look at. Now, here's another tip. A lot of people like this, but then there's some that are like, nah, I don't know. I don't know if that's considered organic. Now, a lot of people, they click up, small content creators, they click up and they watch each other's videos, their content, their live streams. If you're cool with someone or several people that are on the platform, why don't you guys help each other out? Say, hey, I'm going live tonight. Come over and watch. Now, several of my future millionaires, they'll DM me and they'll be like, hey, I'm going live tonight, saying, if you get a chance, stop by. Sometimes I'm able to, sometimes I'm not, and sometimes I don't get to see the DM, and I'm so sorry, guys. But if I ever get a chance to see the DM and I have time, I'll stop by. I'll say, hey, how are you doing? I'll come in the chat and I'll say a few things. Help each other, guys. That's one great way to help. Not only are you helping another fellow small creator, you're also building a bond and a connection that can last for years. There's a YouTuber that I'm really cool with on this platform, and we are like friends. Like, we talk off YouTube. Like, we met each other through YouTube. I was making a video. They liked the video, so we got to speaking on things that she can do to help her video grow, and then we just became like really friends, And she's over on Facebook doing very, very well, guys. Very, very well. So you never know. So take these tips that I gave you and try to implement them and see if it works for you. They will work for you. Now, comment down below, which one do you like better? Oh yeah, and let me say this. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but when next year comes, your watch time will reset. Not to 0, but every month you may see a decline. If you started your videos in February, when February come around again, those watch time hours that you received in that month will decline. And then when the next month comes, they will decline. That's why it's so important to be consistent and continue to make content. So when those watch time hours drop off, you're able to replace them with new content. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.